It's January and we're always looking for something comfort and warm to eat, and this is one of the easiest recipes you'll ever find. It's 4 ingredients and it makes the best meatloaf ever. Okay, I'm making a large recipe because I'm feeding a crowd, so I'm tripling my recipe. Okay, it starts with 1 pound of ground beef, and you can use any type you like. I'm using a lean ground beef. I just added 1/2 cup of ketchup, but remember I'm tripling it, so mine's 1.5 cups. Then you're gonna add 6 eggs. I've got 4 already cracked. You only need to do 2. I like to get the yolks broken up before I pour them in. It'd be 1 box of stuffing mix, but I've got to triple mine. And this is where all your seasonings are going to be in this stuffing mix. You could use any flavor you wanted to. And you're just going to mix this together. Now, because mine is not going to have a lot of fat in it, because I'm using a low fat or lean beef, I'm going to put about 1/2 cup of water in here just to help soften the stuffing. Alright, we've got it all mixed together. So I'm putting it in a long pan. I like to do it in a pan instead of a loaf. Just easier to serve. So I just sprayed it a little bit. Now you could add anything else to the inside of this. You could put cheese, extra herbs, just anything you wanted to. And I've also seen where some people have replaced milk with the eggs in the recipe. So it's, try it this way and then make it your own. So there's ketchup in it, and what I prefer to do is let the person put ketchup on it, because some people like extra ketchup and some people don't. So we're gonna put this in the oven, 350 degrees, for about an hour. Okay, our meatloaf has come out of the oven, ready to serve. Like I said, I like to let people put their own ketchup on the top, but give it a try, it's really easy.